Which camera do you like best? The Action 6, Action 5 Pro, Insta360 Ace Pro 2? Tell me. Alright, we got our answer. Now we're here with the DJI Osmo Action 6 and comparing it to, I could do the Action 5 Pro, but I got the Ace Pro 2 on. I'm not going to repeat the same scene over here. We'll give a walk, we'll give a talk, we'll give a share, and it's all the DJI Mic 2. Let's get going, away from all the noise and the pollution. I want to do this test as fair as possible by straight out of the box. Not putting anything on, but dropping down just the number of settings that we're allowed to in auto mode, as we call. And that will be your texture, which is sharpness, to a -2, which really feels like 0.5, as well as the video noise reduction, and that will be -1. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here today again with the Ace Pro 2, the Action 6. In my pocket is the Action 5 Pro. Daytime shots, 4K, 30 frames per second, EV value 0, not using the Pro, and texture -2, video noise reduction -1 that we are allowed to do. If you put on Pro, then the camera is able to do 10-bit. Right now, this is 8-bit on auto. I'm walking a little faster than the norm. I'm on rock steady both cameras, which the other one is not called rock steady. Let's just call it image stabilization. We got some Christmas candy canes. There's a Santa Claus down there. Reminds me of mine. That one seems to be a bigger one. He is a bigger one than mine. Let's give a nice pan. The sun is towards the 7-8 o'clock position. As we get towards the sun, it'll be in your left-hand side. As we are walking with the sun behind us, we are probably changing aperture of the camera automatically. And we could change it to a starburst, and our focal point will be a little different. I'm not going to get into detail about depth of field of view and the different types of apertures. This is just straight out of the camera as is. I changed the Action 5 Pro to Super Day. And what I want to do is I want to stop at the corner and give a little pan, rotate around. What I'm trying to do soon is trying to imitate those exposure spikes. Let's give it 360-degree slow pan. So this way it gives a fair shot that the sun is not into the camera. And this is the way we shoot video, like so. Then to have the sun into the camera's lens that's coming in from behind our shoulder. I came into some difficulties making sure I had my microphone connected, paired, linked, and seemed it was not linked. And the Ace Pro 2 to be on video mode, it was on pure video. So here I am in a test in a little gazebo by the beach, and it's not warm, it's very cold out, and we'll continue on our test and be as fair as possible from here on out. Like I said, I make mistakes and mistakes do happen, and I don't have the time to go and redo those mistakes over. Let's walk down to the water, see if the geese don't go. They're already going in, all of them. I won't be able to get close by. If I walk fast, they're gonna fly, and there they go. Can't switch over to slow motion, but I can slow it down to 30 frames per second. But it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Take it in, action 5, so we can have this talk over here. I'm standing about 8 feet away or more. I'm going